I just can't let you go.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Claudia if you're new here, and if you're a returning subscriber, hi, thank you so much for sticking around and taking a look at my videos. So today's video is going to be an affordable clothing haul. I recently went to Ross and I found a lot of cute pieces that I want to share with you guys. So if you like to see that, just go ahead and keep watching. Also, please comment down below what type of videos or what you liked most about this video, and then also like the video and click the little notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. Okay guys, so the very first thing I was super excited about, because I was looking for a cardigan or blazer for work that had like those fall winter type of colors, and I finally found it. I am so excited about it. Okay, so I scoot a little bit this way so I can put the pieces right here. You guys can see it. So like I said, I was looking for a type of blazer and I found this one and I fell in love with it. So it is, let me scoot it a little bit this way. It is kind of like a blazer cardigan type of situation. And it just has two pockets right here. And then in the back, it's just very simple. It's mid sleeve. So it doesn't go all the way down, which is good because I'm not today, but I'm always wearing my watch. And I hate when things just go over my watch and I can't even see what time or what messages I got it because I have an Apple Watch. But yes, I love this color. It is so beautiful. It goes to the perfect length how I like it, and it's not super tight fitting or anything, but it looks amazing on the body. It just fits perfectly and I absolutely love this piece. Okay, so next, continuing on like the jacket, blazer type of clothing, I have this amazing find. I think it is by far one of the best things I have found, because I just love the colors that it have. I love the fit that it has, and then as well what it is. So this is the item. I think it's absolutely beautiful. It has the most beautiful colors. All go with absolutely everything, and it's just great. So in top of that, it has a one right here, which is super cute. And then in the back, it says Harley Davidson. I can't believe I found this piece, and it has like all these little like rug studs all over it, and it's just so beautiful, and it goes with everything because the colors are great. I fell in love when I saw this one. It also has right here like a 19, oh, I can't read those numbers, but it has like something written right there, and just so you guys can see better, that's the back. Like I said, fell in love with this piece. It is so great. It's gonna go with a lot of my wardrobe, and I just think it's like something that to like makes an outfit look better, like something edgy, and it's just gonna make my wardrobe look a lot better. Moving on, I also got this cardigan, which I am in love with. It has the best fabric. It's like thick, it's super soft, it looks super classic, and I already wore this actually and I got compliments on it, and I think it is great quality. So it's this like cardigan right here. It has kind of belt sleeves. Because of this thing right here, the sleeves kind of go over it, so it looks like a balloon sleeve, and but it is so soft, and it has pockets right here, and the material just looks great. It's kind of like a knitted material, and to be honest, I am in love with this piece. I think it's so good. It is really good for winter. I wore this yesterday and it was super cold, and I wore this and I was not cold at all. I actually had to take it off because I was playing at the park and it was getting a little bit hot since you're moving around, and I had to take it off. But this is absolutely beautiful. I think it is one of the best pieces I have gotten so far, because it just goes with everything. Since it is black and white, it just goes with absolutely everything in my wardrobe. The very first piece, it is just a simple sweater or cardigan. I'm not sure exactly what it is, but it just has this beautiful detail at the front, and it's not the best fabric in the world, but you know, it's white and it's a simple piece. It's just basic piece to have for winter. Now we're gonna be moving on to bottoms, and I only got two bottoms, but for work they are amazing, let me tell you that. This because I wanted you guys to see how good of a price it was. So it was $19.99, and what it was this beautiful skirt. It is Marc New York New York or Andrew Mark. That's the brand on it. It brings the spare button. It has amazing quality. Like this fabric, let me show you guys up close. And these button details, like this fabric is amazing. It's super thick, super good quality. You can see how well made this was done, and the details that it has on the front, the length, it's just, I love this skirt. It's great. I can't wait to wear it. I might wear it tomorrow for work. And the very next item is going to be pants. So I found these, they're called kind of like paper bag pants. However, I don't think these are like the paper bag kind, because they don't have the ruching at the top. But I don't know, they're like high-waisted. They have the tie in the waist with a little bow, so it makes it super cute. And then they're just this material, which is not the best material, but it's definitely thick and good, and it's not see-through. And then at the bottom, they flare up. They flare out, I mean. And with these, they're just basic work pants that I can, you know, throw any top with, like, and they'll look great. And I was also thinking of wearing these pants with like an all black shirt and the blazer that I showed you guys at the very beginning, because I love like an all black look with like a pop of color. I think it will look super cute. But yes, I love these pants, but they're just basic work pants that I can wear with anything. Okay, and the very last item that I found was this amazing black dress. I still have the tag on it because I still don't know if I'm gonna be keeping it or not, just because it is kind of short, and I don't usually go for like short dresses for work. But I was thinking I can just wear it for like any occasion, or not only for work. So let's see. I don't really know if I'm gonna be keeping it, but I'm in love with this dress, so I think I will, but you never know. So at the very top, it just has this like little frill detail, which is super cute, and the fabric, it's like it has texture to it. The sleeves are just like transparent like this. They are super cute, and then it's just kind of like, they're like bell sleeve, because they have they're tighter right here, so it just goes over it. At the very front, it just has these details right here. It has an elastic waistband, which is always good. It makes your waist look super skinny. And then at the bottom, it's just flared. Okay guys, so that is the end of this video. If you guys enjoyed it, please give it a big thumbs up, and like I mentioned at the beginning, please also subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so yet, and let me know what other type of videos you'd like to see. I love you guys very much. Don't forget to check out my other videos. My last video was a luxury unboxing. It was Gucci unboxing, so if you're into luxury, go ahead and check that video out as well. I love you guys very much, and see you in my next video. Bye.